We're checking out my boy Sheriff Hell's new lawnmower. Comes equipped with illumination. It's the Harmony 2013 Honda. We got the back pedals here to hold babies. We got variable speeds. We got leg. We got leg. Remember to like the video and subscribe. How do you feel about it?
It's a Honda Harmony 2013.
I'm gonna take pictures of my dick with his phone.
I didn't switch the batteries because I don't know how.
Okay. I'm taking care of something real quick.
I know, I'm not gonna peek.
Can. I'm trying to piss really fast and the tip of my wiener hurts.
I hear you, dude. Oh, dude, he's in the fucking road. What the fuck is he doing?
I'll get ya! I'm gonna get ya! There he is.
There he is. There's my fucking boyfriend.
It's me and Slazo. Nobody's having fun today. No fun allowed.
Remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell on the bottom so you don't miss any more videos.
I'm a sovereign citizen! I don't need documentation! What do you want from me? I know my rights! I know my rights! I know my rights! I know shit! I know my rights! I'm a goddamn veteran! My rights! I know my rights! Yeah. Darkness. Chaos control.
I didn't know.
You just did that by yourself?
I feel embarrassed. Delete it. I was feeling funny.
Show me your ass.
I was feeling cute.
Show me your ass.
So that's the Honda mower. If you need more information, go to honda.com and you can get everything you need there.